In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo edits and restore previous versions in Confluence. Whether you've typed something you no longer want or you need to roll back to a clean version, I'll show you exactly how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening the Confluence page you're currently editing. Make sure you're looking at the draft or edit view where your recent changes appear. If you've just made a small mistake, maybe a sentence or a formatting tweak, the quickest fix is the standard undo shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Z. On a Mac, press Command plus Z. You can tap that several times to walk back recent typing, formatting, or pasted content. This is perfect when you catch an error right away during the same editing session. If the page has a larger set of unpublished changes and you decide you don't want any of them, open the page options. Depending on your Confluence layout, this is typically the three-dot menu in the editor toolbar. In that menu, choose Discard Unpublished Changes. This action throws away everything that hasn't been published and returns the page to the last published version. Before you proceed, read the confirmation message carefully. Discarding drafts is permanent, so be sure you don't need any part of those edits. If you're unsure, consider copying any important text to a temporary note before confirming, but only if that content is appropriate to keep. Once you confirm, reopen the page to verify the result. You should now see the previous version without the unwanted edits. Take a moment to scan the page, especially the sections you were working on, to make sure everything looks as expected. If your goal is to go back even further, to a version that was published some time ago, use the page history. From the page view, open the options menu and select page history. There you'll find a list of previously published versions with timestamps and authors. Preview the version you want to restore to ensure it contains the content you need. When you're confident, select it to bring that version back. Keep in mind that restoring a version will replace the current published content, so double check you're picking the right one. That's it. Use undo for quick fixes, discard unpublished changes to roll back a draft, and page history to recover an older published state. With these tools, you can confidently manage your Confluence pages and keep your content accurate and clean.